There is no relationship of husband and wife. So for the years 36 years, the son is old now. There is no this copy without finding place of the father's name. It was issued in the year 88. Till 2022, the certificate remained without the father. The certificate has been continued. 2022, for purposes of filing this petition, my lord, she has seen that the name of the father is.
Is there any adoption deed?
Adoption deed is not there. Adoption deed is not there. There is no element of at least having lived together even a single day. There is no proof of document.
Yeah,
and
let second respondent paid, second petitioner
pay
10,000. And when
this petition is against the orders passed by the family court on the interim application in the petition under section 125 of the.
how much is granted?
20,000, my lord.
You are for the husband?
Husband as well as son, my lord. Husband, the so-called husband is the adopted father of the son. The fatherhood is unknown to the son, my lord. The mother has given the son in adoption to the petitioner number 1. Petitioner number 2 is the son. Lord,
So please come to the cause title.
please.
What is this? Petitioner, the wife had filed the petition.
Please, my lord.
Then who are the respondents?
Respondent number 1 is the the respondent number.
Looking at page number 24.
Please.
Yes.
Respondent number 1 is the husband. The wife is claiming as so, my lord.
According to you, she is not your.
No, my lord. There is no marriage, but there is no relationship
Then
of marriage.
who is number 2?
Number 2 is the adopted son of the respondent number 1, given by adoption was given by the petitioner. Please, my lord. There is no relationship of husband and wife. So for the years 36 years, the son is old now. There is no relationship of husband and wife. Once the adoption was given by the respondent herein.
How are you related to that lady that she gave her son in adoption to you?
Lord, she approached the petitioner herein, the petitioner number 1. He was a government servant. He was working in a BBMP. And during those days, Lord, she has left her husband and has came to.
You have adopted this second respondent.
During 1989, Lord.
Let's please come to the finding.
Impugned order, Lord. I'll take your lordship. Impugned order, Lord, starts at page number 24. The reasons I will take, Lord, I'll take your lordship.
There was a marriage was performed on.
That has been claimed. That has been claimed by the wife as if the marriage has been performed and this thing. And simply, my lord, I'll take your lordship. One of the document, Lord, see the manipulation of the document, how it has been done. The birth certificate. On the basis of the birth certificate, my lord, the lower court has granted the interim order. I'll take your lordship. May kindly be seen, Lord. Page number 13 may kindly come to me, Lord. Page number 13 is the birth certificate. Lord, the name of the mother.
Mother, where do you, yes,
column
Lakshmi.
5th item, Lord. 6th
Lakshmi.
DS Lakshmi. Name of the father. Hanumanti Gowda, who is the petitioner number 1 herein. The birth certificate, the birth of the date of birth of the petitioner number 2 is as on 1987. That certificate issued, my lord, is in the bottom of the page, my lord. Date of issuance of the birth certificate 29/7/2022.
Maybe a copy of it is not there.
No, my lord. I'll take the previous page. I'll take, my lord. Previous page, my lord. The birth of the son, 14/8/1987. Registration 17/8/1987. Wherein, Lord, the father's name has not taken place. It is not finding place in that certificate.
Name of it is father or
mother is there. Mother is there. It is an undisputed fact. Father's.
Then how can they issue a birth certificate like this? Oh, it's issued by a
No, my lord. See, once the mother, a pregnant woman, come to the hospital, my lord, the registration will be done in the hospital and the information will be sent to the register of births and
When is
deaths.
it registered? You will see, you will find
It is-
here. When is it registered?
It is registered in as an 87 itself, my lord, 17/8. After 3 days of
Look
the
at the date of registration. Where is that?
parallel to date of birth, my lord, on the left hand side, date of birth, it is there, parallel to that, my lord, right hand side, registration of the birth. After 3 days, it has been registered.
Date of registration is
Please, my lord.
29/7.
No, 17/8/87, my lord.
17/8.
17/8/87. Issuance of the copy and no, for having accepted the fees, my lord, 88. This copy, without finding place of the father's name, it was issued in the year 88. Till 2022, the certificate remained. Without the father, the certificate has been continued. 2022, for purposes of filing this petition, my lord, she has seen that the name of the father
Is
is.
there any adoption deed?
Adoption deed is not there, my lord. Adoption deed is not there. There is no element of at least having lived together even a single day. There is no proof of document. And at least if at all there were to be a marriage, my lord, at least bearing a
When is this MC filed in 2022?
2022, my lord.
According to her, how was she maintaining herself before that?
Through the husband, my lord, she has another son by name Vijay Kumar. He is maintaining her. And in addition to that, the second petitioner, my lord, on humanitarian grounds, he was also paying some amount, 5,000 rupees per month. The proof has been produced by the mother. And, my lord, the legal notice as issued by the wife, my lord, I'll take your lordship. Legal notice, the prayer in the legal notice, the demand in the legal notice may kindly come to page number 43, my lord. She is not demanding any status of wife or status of the family or
What is
anything.
the income of the second respondent?
Second respondent is earning around 1 lakh rupees. He is into a software field. He is earning around 1 lakh rupees, my lord. And the first petitioner, my lord, is a retired engineer from the BBMP. He is earning only 28,000 rupees as pension, my lord. As far as the son, my lord, he can shoulder some responsibility to take care of the mother, my lord. There is no dispute in that.
Now, what is the order? Ultimately, whose responsibility is it?
Both, against both, my lord, it has been awarded 20,000 rupees.
You are appearing only for the father.
Both of them, my lord. Both of them.
So now the other will pay.
My lord,
Now the second respondent will pay.
will pay some amount, my lord.
Why some amount? Why he's he's earning 1 lakh. What
No,
will-
he has his own family, wife and the son, daughter, my lord. And he has
When you let second respondent paid, second petitioner
second petition.
pay 10,000. And when was the petition filed?
That is also exorbitant, my lord. Why? Because he has his own
We
responsibility.
will see once the
So
other side,
loan liability and all is there, my lord. Under
once the other side comes. 16/4, when is the petition filed? Seeking maintenance,
application.
IA,
August 22, my lord.
August 22. That's 2 years, almost, 24 months. He's come. This court has perused the certificate that is placed before the court. And the stand that is taken by the first petitioner. During the pendency of this petition, the considered opinion of this court, the first petitioner need not pay the maintenance. Then coming to the second petitioner, there is no dispute that he is the son of the first respondent. Considering that he is earning an amount of rupees 1 lakh as salary, as an interim measure, there shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that the second petitioner shall pay an amount of rupees 10,000 the 5th of every succeeding month, and towards arrears for 24 months, an amount of rupees 2,40,000 shall be paid within 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Same default order, either of the two.
May I request your lordship to add a sentence, my lord? Because once the adoption is given, my lord, even the adopted son against the natural mother
He
is not.
submits that, and council submits that once the second petitioner is adopted, he has no connection with the natural
Please,
parents, and he has also no obligation
please.
to pay the maintenance. Same, and the petition is permitted to take court notice on the council appearing before the trial court, and shall file a memo to that effect by 80 hand summons, notice hand
12
summons,
weeks may kindly be granted. 12 weeks may kindly
12
be.
weeks. By 18th of September, pose this matter on 1st of October. Yes.
Obliged.
Question number 4.